How's it going, everybody? Back with another video. Just arrived today. We have got from Topps the international stars of the Bundesliga. From what I understand, there's an auto, one in every 2 boxes. Figured we'd rip them open and see what we get. As always, if you are collecting these, if you've got them yourself, if you just like to watch the videos, please do drop a follow, drop a like as well. Always appreciate it, just to see what is proving popular with the videos that I put out there. So I'm just going to try and open this up now, if I can get into the box. Okay, all right, here we go. So yeah, one auto in every couple of boxes on these. Be interested to see if we pull anything. And we get packs to open. Very cool. There are parallels in these as well, so yeah, let's rip them open and see what we get. I guess the big hit would be a Jude Bellingham auto. Yeah, let's kick this off. Yeah, and there we go. Out of 25, there was our first hit right there. From Mönchengladbach. First pack, first hit. How about that? Let's carry on moving through. Yeah, this set kind of came up, it sold out very quick, as most of the top sets do. I was able to grab one. Let's have a look and see what we get in this one. The fact we've already hit one of our parallels though. I don't expect to get an auto, to be honest with you. But you never know. If you watched my last video, we did very well indeed. We hit a Jude Bellingham auto card from the Heritage collection, which was very well received. Like I say, I can't see me hitting another auto. Gio Reyna. Topps now are obviously firing out so many different products, but just trying to grab some things. There he is, there's Jude. Okay, down to our last 2 packs already. Go for this one first. Okay, I can see another parallel upcoming by the looks of it. Ah, it's an auto. How about that? Maxence Lacroix from Wolfsburg. Out of 99. I will take an auto all day long on these. Excellent. Let's just carry on and finish the rest of the cards, which leaves me with 1 pack to go. So we've hit all of our hits now anyway, so we're done in terms of that. Oh, it looks like we might have another parallel as well. I can see one just sneaking through there. There we go. 13 out of 25. Carlos Gruezo. So we're doing really well actually out of that box. Just finishing up with Yoshida, Sosa, and Barcock. Let me get the hits back out. It's 1, 2, 3. So there we go. Not bad going, really. We've got 2 out of 25. And then we've got the auto out of 99. So not a bad box, really. You could definitely have done a lot worse on those, I'm sure. So yeah, thanks so much as always for tuning in and watching the videos. And please do like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Take care. Goodbye.